So which web hosting do you choose? There's so many out there, it can get so confusing. Well, first off, your web hosting must be able to host a WordPress site. Secondly, it must be able to load your site really fast. And not all web hosting can promise this. I only recommend SiteGround. I think it's one of the best and really the most affordable out there. And it's even more affordable because I have a link below that'll give you 50% off your first year and your free domain. If you don't go through that link, you don't get the discount. So once you click on that link, you're brought to the SiteGround main page. What I want you to do is click web hosting right there on the top. Then you click shared hosting. Just go with the startup one. If you're only building one site for now, you might want to build more in the future, but you can always upgrade. So just click that option and it'll ask you for the domain. Well, let's see if the domain name you want is available. So we go to whois.com and we type it into their search bar there. So I'm just going to pick a random one called WordPress beginner's course and click search. And what it'll do is it'll show if it's available or not. So great, it's available in .com and it's available in .eu and a few other ones. To be honest, when I pick domains, I only am interested in .com. So we know that it's available, we'll type it in and then we'll proceed to the next step. So this step is the final step in purchasing your web hosting and it's just your billing details. You'll see that at the bottom the 50% discount is applied, and it works out for your first year. Your hosting will cost you just about $5 a month, and then from every year on it's less than $10, which is quite affordable. So congratulations, you now have your web hosting. You should have received an email with your username and password. So we log into our SiteGround web hosting dashboard by clicking the login button and putting in that username and password. Once we do that, we're able now to set up our site. It's a step-by-step guide and they give you the tips and tricks on the way. So just click the proceed button. Then it asks what type of site you are. So since this is a business site, we're going to pick that option. Then you have another section below where you choose what your site will be built on. So we're going to build our site on WordPress. So we click the WordPress option and then we click the proceed button below. Once we've done all this, we're brought to a new page where we have to pick our username and password for our WordPress dashboard. So a WordPress dashboard is the management control center for your whole website. Then we have the option of choosing a theme. We're going to actually ignore this option and scroll to the bottom because I'm going to show you how to upload and change themes within the WordPress dashboard. So all I want you to do is click the submit button. Congratulations, now your WordPress site is up and running. On this next page, you will have your WordPress dashboard URL. So this is how you access your management control for your website, and your username and password will be here too. So just copy and paste that URL into a new tab and then put in your username and password. And then you'll be in your WordPress dashboard. This is where we're going to customize your site to make it look and feel the way you want it to. Over the next few videos, I'm going to show you exactly how you do this.